Big nginibingelele amasosha kaMsholozi, nginibingelele amasosha kaNxamalala bafowethu. Ngifisa ukungena kule nje kafishane bafowethu. Ngiyacela ukuthi singalenzi iphutha lokungabaza uNxamalala. uNxamalala nje singalenzi iphutha lokungabaza uMsholozi. That's number 1. Number 2, siyacela uku-encourage wonke ama-members omkhonto wesizwe asanda kujoyina umkhonto wesizwe ukuthi awa-adapte kwi-culture yomkhonto wesizwe. La emkhontweni mhlambe sesishintshelwe o-Secretary General, mhlambe mhlambe uFloyd wes-6 noma wes-7. It's a norm, it's a culture ukuthi at some point, for some reasons, if the organization has to change u-SG, it has all the rights, it has all the powers. But into engiyiqaphelayo kuningi ukuthi niyashesha ukukhohlwa. Your memory is limited. Yabo njengamanje you are frustrated, nibhala incwadi ukuthi you must boycott MK party programs. Now you are starting to destroy your own glorious party, your own glorious movement. Mina into engijabulisayo ukuthi if nina ningama members omkhonto wesizwe ningasiboni istrategy esidlala uMsholozi, it means it's even worse for the enemy ukuthi i-discover ukuthi yipi i-chess game edlalwa uNxamalala njengamanje ngokususa uFloyd kubaba uSG am-deploye e-National Assembly. Mina nganitshela mina ama-surprises ekumele niwa-expect nje in future. Cause one nje uFloyd usazobuyela kwi-high command, but mhlawumbe uzobuyela ngasewona uSG. Inkinga yenu ni emotional, ni too emotional, and aniyazi i-task enikeza uFloyd njengoba eya lapha yazi behaving ngazuthi uFloyd uxoshiwe. uFloyd akaxoshi. It's a strategy. Umkhonto wesizwe usebenza ngama strategies, and if you have failed to follow and think outside the box about the strategies and tactics of the MK party from the past, you uzosala ukhala ubanga umsindo. Comrade, emkhontweni wesizwe azile ukuzodlala. Nginento ke ethi nini nilila kakhulu is because you were too attached to individual. Nina, you have moved your loyalty to the office of the organization. You have moved your loyalty, shifted your loyalty direct to individuals sitting in the office. The office is still available. The individual that had occupied that office is still a member of the MK party. He still had a role to play within the MK party. So asikho isidingo senu sokufrustrate yekani laba abantu ababanga umsindo bengazon disturba ben frustrate la emakhanda. Kudlalwa ichess, nizosho ukuthi ngasho. I am warning you ukuthi watch uFloyd angahlabuye eParliament at some point at the right time, kodwa abuye ngasezukubo SG, mhlambe ebuye sebe yenye into nami ngingayazi ukuthi eyobe ebuye seyini by then. Mhlambe i-National Assembly is a place of safety for Floyd. Mhlambe kwi-National Assembly kunama-duties nama-task oku-unite ama-progressive caucus that seems to be destabilized like currently. So ningathu musani ukupanic, musani ukushesha nipanic. Asi respect nje organization, and I like i-attitude ka Floyd. he remained a loyal and disciplined member of the MK party no matter what is the move, because enye into ngeke umsholozi like behlale bezosichazela ukuthi manje lento lesi strategy for this, senza lesi strategy for this, ngeke njalo behlale bezosichazela. Thina sibe flexible kwi-organization ukuthi i-organization izokwenza noma yini oku-right for i-organization ngesikhathi esi-right. So musani kulokhu niphenika nitatazela, there is actually nothing wrong, there's nothing wrong eyenzekile. Mina-ke ngiyanithayimisa ukuthi back up, musani ukuthi nenze enemy izivuke naye emaqandeni izisibone istrategy esidlalwayo, because la kudlala i-chess la. But for nini ukuthi ningayiboni i-chess edlalwayo, it means ne-enemy ngeke izibone. So it's the same thing ukuregister kwe-MK party. I-MK party was registered very strategically for the enemy not to discover ukuthi who's involved, who's behind. But now say niyapanika, ay, comrade, don't do that, please don't do that, I'm warning you.